Hello everyone, I am Anu. In this video, I am going to give information about examples of Boolean algebra. In the previous video, I gave what are the laws involved in the simplification of Boolean algebra. So let's look into some of the example of it. These are the rules that we learned in the previous video. So complement and or distributive and De Morgan's. Along with this, there are two more laws like commutative and associative law. Here is the first example of it. The question is A and B or A, B complement. So as we know the A is common in both of the entity, we can take it out and the left out will be A or B complement. From or we know that A complement equal to 1, hence we can write B complement as 1, which will gives the final output as A. So also you can cross verify it with the help of truth table. If you implement these values into this expression of the question, then you will get the final output. In here two A and B input are there, hence the 4 outcome will be available. When A and B is equal to 0, it gives 0. A B complement will be 0.1, hence the final output is 0. And similarly you can applicable for these two also. And the last one is AB equal to 1. 1 gives 1 plus A and B complement, which is 1.0, which gives us 0, and the final output is 1. And the output is similar to the input A that we got from the simplification. Here is the second example. In here you can observe in all entities A is common, we can take this A out and the left out will be B or B complement C or B complement C complement. So from distributive law we know that B or B complement can be written as B or C. So and again you will look into that. So there is one more option is there in order to decrease further by using distributive law. So B or B complement C complement will be written as B or C complement. This C complement gives us 1 from the OR law. So final will be B or 1. So B or 1 will gives us 1 and the final output is F is equal to A. Here is the third example. In order for simplification, we have taken that A or B as X. So the equation get reduced to X or C and A B complement C and X or C complement. So from commutative law, you can write A and B is equal to B and A. And similarly, A and B and C, you can be written as A and C and B. So the second step will be X or C or X or C complement, then A or B complement or C. So this first two entity can be reduced as X or CC complement. As we know from AND, CC complement will be 0. So X or 0 plus A complement B or C. So this X or 0 can be written as X from OR law. And similarly, as we know that X is taken as A or B, so A or B will be written in place of X. And you can observe the A is common in here and B complement of C we can take on a separate entity and we will reduce it by using distributive law. So A or B and B complement or C will be the second output which is taken from the distribution law, and this in here AND operator is there, we can multiply this. So B complement and BC will be obtained and B complement is 0 from the AND law. So the final output will be A or B and C. And here is the last example, which is example 4. And in here you can observe that A is common in first two entity and A complement is common in second two entity. So this A is taken out and from distributive law you can write A or B complement and A complement or B complement. we know that B complement is 0 from AND law. So the final output will be A complement. Again, it will be 0 from AND law. Thank you.